Hello everyone, this is Matt with MH Motors. Tonight we are unboxing one of the better cars that I've gotten in most recent times. It is an old one, but cannot be disappointed by this make and model of this Ferrari. It is a Hot Wheels Elite and it is the 599 GTO. I'm super excited about this edition. This box has been unopened. I did buy it used recently. It has some wear and tear from just storage on from wherever it was being stored at, but again, this model has been unopened. It is the Elite, which is one of 5,000 editions, and again, this is going to be a fantastic addition to my Diecast collection and my Ferrari collection specifically. I do have another car that I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing here shortly after it. It accompanies this car, so in the comment section down below, I want you guys to guess what car is going to be unboxed and reviewed after this 5.9 GTO. So we'll do a quick overview of the outside of the box. On the front, it does say Elite down in the left-hand corner with the scale up in the left-hand corner on the top. It has the model of the car of the Ferrari in the middle, as well as Ferrari emblem in the bottom right-hand corner. The top does say limited edition, and it is one of up to 5,000 models of this specific GTO, 599 GTO. On the sides, pretty basic, just Elite with some for the adult collector notifications. Same on this side. On the back, it does highlight some detail pictures, detailed engine bay, detailed interior with an opening trunk as well. And then on the bottom, pretty standard. It does have the disclaimers, made in 2010, with the official licensed product emblems from Ferrari as well. So, let's get to unboxing. Alright, so here we have the Ferrari 599 GTO made by Hot Wheels Elite. It is one of 4 Ferraris in the 599 lineup. There is the 599 GTB, the 599 GTO, which is this one, the 599XX, as well as the 599XX Evo. So all 4 made by Hot Wheels Elite. They do have base Hot Wheels versions of a couple of them, but they are not as detailed as this Hot Wheels Elite version provides. The amount of detail that is provided all around in the engine bay, in the wheels, in the trunk, as well as in the interior is extraordinary. So here we have this amazing Ferrari red color. the amount of detail that they put in these wheels with the calipers and the brakes, brake discs. The brake discs spin, if you can see, they do spin through the caliper. And on this GTO, they do have an extra piece to the brake assembly that they add in there as well, in addition to the caliper and disc. So that is just amazing detail. That disc also spins through that extra piece that I hope you guys can see. It is a black colored piece. So the rears do the same. On the side, it has the Ferrari badging in the proper places in both spots. On the front, does have a nice photo etched grille, as well as the Ferrari emblem, with the Ferrari emblem also on the hood. One thing that I want to add with the Hot Wheels Elite versions is the headlights are extremely well done compared to the Hot Wheels base versions. So we'll get to that in the next video. Going on the driver's side, everything is the same. One thing I noticed, which was amazing, is the keyhole. They actually put a very, very well look-alike keyhole emblem onto this door. That is just shocking, the amount of detail that they put into that. Going into the back of it, nice 599 GTO license plate with the quad exhausts and the two red, I believe those are brake lights or might be reverse lights, but they aren't white, so I believe they're either reflectors or brake lights. The actual tail lights are great detail, sun emblem kind of within the brake lights. It's out of this world. This Ferrari emblem is not a sticker, it's an actual, what feels to be a metal piece that's actually stuck onto the trunk itself. So it is raised up from the trunk, which is very proper in terms of what the real car has. So above that, another third brake light, very well done all the way across. And then on the trunk also, it shows the Ferrari badging as well. So let's get this opened up. In the trunk, it does feel kind of like a felt or some type of fabric-y material in the trunk that is well done by Hot Wheels Elite. We'll go in. I do need assistance to get these doors open. It is hard to get them. All right. So, I don't know how well you can see that interior, but it is amazing in terms of the amount of detail that it has in it. With the Ferrari emblem in the headrest. And then on the driver's side, it has the Ferrari emblem on the steering wheel with the Ferrari start button as well in red, as well as the tachometer on the dash that is also in yellow. Amazing. And then moving down to the floorboards, it also has the metal floorboards as well as the pedals in this. Keep in mind it also has amazing amount of carbon fiber on this interior. The carbon fiber on the dash is out of this world as well. So one last bit, I will have to flip it upside down to get the hood open. The engine bay does have a great amount of detail as well in this. It does have a 599 GTO emblem with the Ferrari emblem as well underneath, which is amazing. A couple other colored pieces. So overall, this Hot Wheels Elite Ferrari 599 GTO is a fantastic car. They are getting really pricey right now. They are getting very rare to find on the resale market. I was lucky enough to find this one on eBay, but they do come at a pretty penny depending on you know, if you got one from back in the day versus right now. So this one, they are coming in at about a couple $100 for getting a Hot Wheels Elite 599 GTO in today's market in 2020. So again, I am super excited to add this 599 GTO to my collection. It is well worth it, well worth the money paid for the amount of detail you get in this Elite version. So again, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I have. Again, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button as well, and make sure to hit that bell notification button. That will alert you to all my upcoming videos when I post them, as soon as I post them up. So I got a lot of exciting upcoming content, both unboxings and reviews of cars within my diecast collection. A few of them are rare, ones you will not want to miss. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. This is MH Motors. Have a good evening.